Hey everyone, how's it going today? cryptoFOXXY here. Thank you guys so much for stopping by the channel. So this has been quite the day. Bitcoin started to basically drop. We are hearing that Germany has been selling yet again, and we're also gearing up for the Mount Gox repayments to begin. So things are a bit hectic here right now, but I'm going to explain to you what we're looking at in terms of price action, what targets we're looking at as well. So we're going to jump into some technical analysis here in this video. Make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe to my channel as well for more information on cryptos. So Bitcoin price analysis. Bitcoin needs to reclaim some certain levels basically to flip bullish and resume our bull run. So this is basically our chart right now. We are down below the 200 moving average there. It is not going very good. The price action has spread fear, and participants are worried that the bull market could be over. A lot of times when you see that, the bull market could be over. Unless we're in that type of cycle where we're hitting the bear market, I really don't think that that's the case right now. We might be in for a retracement or correction or whatever it is you want to call it, but I really don't think that this is it. We're back to a bear market. I really don't think that that's happening. We're still trending in the top, the higher of the 50,000 range. So I mean, things are still a lot better than they were last year. That's for sure. So on the daily time frame, we're looking at the price has been making lower highs and lows since dropping below 70K, demonstrating a clear bearish trend. We can see that in the chart right here. So they're talking about these. So that's a low, that's a low, that's a low, and that's a low. And that's basically drawing a straight line down. So that's why they're saying that we're in a bearish trend. So the market even broke below the 60K level and the 200-day moving average, which is located around the 58K mark. So that's a very significant point right there, 58K. We like to try and stay above that. The 57K support levels held the price, preventing it from dropping further. So if the price is able to climb back above the 200-day moving average quickly, this recent decline could be considered a bear trap and a rally could be expected. So we've had a lot of selling from Germany. Germany had confiscated some Bitcoins back in I believe it was 2013. They have billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin from that, and they started selling off recently. I don't understand exactly why they're dumping the way they are. If they confiscated their Bitcoins back in 2013, they should be up massively. And there's no reason why they can't just trickle out and kind of drip payments over time. The way that they are doing it is not morally the way I would do it. I don't like to see people dump on charts. I have a very responsible profit taking plan. Like, I will take profits. I always take profits because I'm in cryptocurrency to make some money as well, right? I'm also in it for the tech and the the whole DeFi and holding your own funds is why I like crypto, and the freedom that gives you as well. But I don't like seeing people dump on charts. It's just not my thing. I'm not for basically ruining other people's profits and such as well. I think we can all take profits responsibly, and we can all basically have a a better future ahead if we kind of adopt some kind of a plan in place like that. If we're all greedy, everything's just going to go to zero, right? So clearly bearish on the 4-hour time frame. The rebound from 54K, the 57K level is currently being tested. So if the price breaks through 57K, a rally towards a bearish trend line could be expected in the short term. So this is basically the bearish trend line. So if we can basically get up over here and and obviously maintain that, we could get back above this line. So on this on-chain analysis was done by Trading Rage. I'm just going to give credit where credit is due. Obviously, I'm not a technical analyst, so I like to take into consideration a lot of other technical analysts' analysis, and just got to use that to form my own opinion, right? And it's not just technical analysis that I look at. I look at sentiment and how everybody feels and things like that. The fear and greed index comes into play. There's a number of certain things. I also have indicators that I use and such. But I'm not an analyst myself, so obviously this is somebody else's charting. And give credit to where credit is due. So this chart presents the Bitcoin Exchange Reserve metric. So what this is basically Bitcoin held on exchanges. So essentially, if Bitcoin is being sent to hardware wallets, so people are buying and moving it to cold storage or even just DeFi storage, that represents that people are buying the dip. And we can see that evidently when Bitcoin reserves get depleted on exchanges, and what that does is it creates a bit of a supply shock, and that can actually put the price up. So in recent days, the metric has plunged rapidly, indicating that some investors are seeing this price as a buying opportunity. So to me, that is a signal as well that I would take into consideration in terms of technical analysis. So that's basically what we've got going on. Germany, please chill out. Give us all a little time to rebound here. I really don't think that they are. I don't understand why they're selling so aggressively. But it is what it is. We can't really, that's crypto. We can't control what other people are doing. So if that's what they have to do, that's what they have to do. We just have to weather the storm. Just rip the band-aid off, get it done already, and we'll move on from here. We have a lot of things coming up in the future. We've got some Ethereum ETF news. I'm probably going to do a video on that later as well. We've got it's not approved yet, but the S1 filings are starting to come in. So getting ready for the finalization of the ETF for Ethereum. And we've also got, we've got a ton of stuff coming on, guys. We've got the elections coming up. That's usually pretty positive for crypto. We've got the fall coming up. Usually people come back into trading, in September, October. And, obviously, a few months after the Bitcoin halving, we usually see a run as well. So, I don't think, I think this is just the summer blues, in my opinion. Yes, we have a lot of things going on in terms of Germany and such, but I think that will, we'll get through it. It's just another speed bump in the road, basically. So hang in there. Don't let everybody scare you into selling unless you absolutely have to pay your bills. Go for it. Obviously, it's your money. You do with it as you wish, and don't take any of this as financial advice because we all got to do what we got to do. Thanks so much for tuning in to my video. Hopefully, I'll catch you in the next video, and take care. Peace.